Sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So emva kwami kukhona ama-club ayi4 akwazile ukuthi aphumelele kuma-semi-finals e-Nedbank Cup yakulonyaka. Yazi impela kukholakala abantu abaningi bebeyitsho ukuthi ama-team anjengo-Orlando Pirates, ama-team anjengo-Mamelodi Sundowns, ama-team anjengo-Kaizer Chiefs, even Sekhukhune United azobe ekhona kule stage sale tournament. Ama-team anjengo-Steelers, but-ke cha, yabo, this time ama-footballing gods athe cha, leyo ma-team amakhulu awuthi ukuphuma kancane kule competition le. Awuthi silande ama-team yabo amancane, yabo, ama-team anjengo-Kaizer Stars, ama-team anjengo-Milford. Ungayibala na i-Durban City because isathanda kufika ku-Betway Premiership baphume NFD last season, yabo. Nabo-ke kodwa-ke i-Durban City last season, I remember badlala kahle kakhulu ku-Nedbank Cup. So banayo experience yani na ye-Nedbank Cup. So engingakusho nje la ukuthi TS Galaxy iyona team la engasho ukuthi yona vele-ke ade yafika ku-Betway Premiership vele isinayo experience. So iwona-ke ama-team lawo 4. Ngokwami nje wabona nje lama-team lawo angifuna ukuqamba manga. Yabona i-Kaizer Stars ne-Milford. I-Kaizer Stars ne-Milford, i-winner yale tournament izoba between the two of these teams, between i-Kaizer ne-Milford. Mhlambe-ke kukhona-ke okusengenzeka. But-ke miyase nginitshela nge-Milford. I-Milford number 1. Number 1 kwi-NFD. Njengoba number 1 nje mase kuba khona i-Kaizer Stars nayo futhi eyenza kahle kakhulu kwi-NFD efuna ukuyi-challenger i-Milford. Bonke babanga isicoco le ezansi benobani beno-Cape Town City bakhona babanga isicoco bafuna ukuza kwi-Betway Premiership. Abantu abaningi banako ukwathatha kancane lama-club, akusiwona ama-club amancane. Sibhaqi bona bayasithela ngempela, yabo, bayasithela ngempela, bayakwazi ukuthi bawa-read amagame, bayakwazi ukuthi bawaplanele ama-team, yabo. Impela kujwayelekile ukuthi sibone ama-club awu2 aqhamuka le kwi-NFD abe kuleli zinga, abe kuma-semi-finals, yabo. Kuyobe futhi i-history ngempela sibone ama-club awu2 aqhamuka kwi-NFD so abone eya kwi-final. Mhlambe-ke bazowaqhatha ndawonye singesazi phela-ke kusasa ku-extra time kuyoshawa i-live draw lapho khona kuzobe kuqhathaniswa ukuthi imaphi ama-team azobe edlala ndawonye. Remember-ke njengoba kuyodlalwa nje i-Durban City yase-KZN, mase ukuthi-ke i-Milford eyakuphi na eyase-KZN, TS Galaxy yaseMpumalanga, mengicabanga nayo i-Kaizer Stars bengaphosisi eyale eMpumalanga, yabo. So kuzobe nje kuyimpi yeyigudi ngeyigudi, ingabe indebe izohamba ne-team yase-KZN noma-ke izohamba ne-team yaseMpumalanga singesazi. But-ke engikwaziyo nje between the two provinces kukhona i-province A1 ezokwazi ukuthi iyithathe le ndebe le. Ingabe izobuya ize KZN after iminyaka sagcina ukubona i-team iwina i-Nedbank Cup yala i-KZN asazi. But-ke mina-ke kule draw le I vouch for i-Durban City. Ngokwami I-think i-Durban City inayo i-chance ukuthi iyithathe i-Nedbank Cup. I-Golden Arrows namhlanje iyiyekelile bafethu, angifuqa manga. I-Golden Arrows iyiyekelile kule game namhlanje. Bengiyithemba ukuthi mhlawumbe izowenza something. UManqoba Mnqethi after leaving eMamelodi Sundowns bekimvouchela ukuthi mhlawumbe awine something out of eMamelodi Sundowns, yabo, akwazi ukuthi akhombise ama-fans ukuthi wayengashodi ngayo eMamelodi Sundowns, usengakwazi ukuthi awine with each and every team ekhona la ku-Betway Premiership. But-ke usuku namhlanje bafethu belingahambi na, even i-penalty iphikiwe bafethu, i-penalty ye-Golden Arrows iphikiwe. But-ke asikwazi ukucomplain kakhulu, siyabazi o-ref bala ku-Betway Premiership, yabo. You know the standard of referees we have la in South Africa. But-ke wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi iyiphi team ezoyithatha i-Nedbank Cup. Ngabe i-Milford le yashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs, noma-ke i-Kaizer Stars le yashaya i-Orlando Pirates, noma-ke i-TS Galaxy le yashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-Nedbank Cup final, noma-ke i-Durban City? Ungangitshela ama-comments bafethu.